Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset your Xbox Series X and keep your game data and applications. So all you have to do is power on your console and get to this homepage, and then from the menu that appears on top of the screen, select Settings, and then within the settings scroll down and select System and choose Console Information. Select that. And then scroll down and find Reset Console. Choose that. And then now you'll be asked, would you want to reset your console? If you reset, your console will restart and erase all accounts, saved games, settings, and any home Xbox associations. So you can choose whether to keep or erase your installed games and apps. So since we want to reset but keep our games and apps, select the Reset and Keep My Games and Apps option. And that's basically it on how to reset your Xbox Series X and keep your games and applications. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.